A recipe for content marketing success. Content marketing has given small businesses the opportunity to become their own publishers. Creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content forms an online marketing strategy designed to attract and retain loyal customers. To do this, a workable content marketing plan is crucial. Here are 5 key ingredients for achieving success with content marketing. 1. Identify and understand your audience. Before you write a word, you need to know who you are writing for. Identifying your target audience using buyer personas will enable you to understand and directly speak to the challenges that your ideal customer faces and help them solve those challenges. 2. What, where, how. With an understanding of who your content is addressing, you can now start brainstorming ideas. Determine the most appropriate writing styles, content formats, and identify the best place to post your content for maximum impact. 3. Quality matters most. It's the quality of your content that will determine how much it is viewed, shared, commented on, and whether it is positioned at the top of search engine results. So focus on producing quality over quantity. 4. Stay organized. Planning, producing, and publishing a steady flow of valuable and relevant content needs to be organized. A content calendar will enable you to coordinate your publishing schedule, manage your team of contributors, and meet deadlines. 5. Review, measure, improve. Proving the effectiveness of content marketing can sometimes seem elusive. The key is to determine your objectives, establish your key metrics, and then measure engagement. Use the data to learn what works best and how to make improvements. If you would like to position yourself as an expert and increase your sphere of influence by launching an effective content marketing plan for your business, contact your local WSI digital marketing consultant today.